Righto, so we're leaving Roseville Retreat. I think it's called a Roseville Retreat. Absolute freaking legends down there. Beautiful campsite on the river. Didn't get to see the local freshwater salty that's living down there, but probably a good thing, to be honest. Holy shit, dude, look at this mountain. That is un-bloody real. Look at that. It's like, yeah, like a black broken up rock type of thing. I'm sure it's got a name. What's it say on the map there? I can't really read it. Wow, look at it there. Holy shit.
Righto, so we're at Hopevale. Last fuel stop for Starke. Bloody pumps offline, no fuel. So we're kind of screwed if we can't get fuel. Because this is the last fuel stop for 400 and something odd Ks. So, yeah, don't know. Righto, so lady from the shop came over, sorted us. Look at that, it's fucking massive. Man, the bike is so heavy. There's 3 litres of water, 7 litres of fuel in the back, 20 in the front. Fucking Tom's loaded as well. We're all blooded up. Loaded. Look at Hicks' back at the back of his bike. It's like a fucking in the stratosphere.
Wait, how nice would it be to be unsupported right now?
Oh, how good would it? Supported. Yeah, supported would be great. Anyway, so we'll be taking it pretty easy on this Starke, I think, and get the fuel in the tank ASAP.
We're fully fueled, like, got a bladder on the back with a bit of extra fuel and a bit of extra water and stuff, so the bikes are definitely feeling pretty heavy. So yeah, looking forward to getting a bit of weight off the back of the bike, to be fair, as soon as we can. So I think it'll be like this sort of until Starke River, and then it starts to get a little bit more difficult, but yeah, we're just chilling at the moment, which is good. Ooh, a bit of a creek crossing. Beautiful. Oh, well, at least the rain keeps the dust down, that's for sure, but I don't know how hard it's going to make the track. We could be in for a bit of fun. So, just had the bag go through the wheel, so that's a bit fucked, so I'm just going to have to swap them around, and fuck man, just absolutely destroyed it. So, I'm going to have to work something out. Krieger, fucking, I've had nothing but issues with these bags. So anyway, alright, so this is what we've come up with. Broken bag on the tail bag on the side, bit of Rocky holding it up, and then the bladder just on the seat, and I'll just stand up. Should be good. Just Krieger things. I think I've come up with a solution for the bags, and it's just an extra Rocky to hold them up a little bit. But man, I've had some shit luck with those bags. Like every trip I fucking break something. So definitely the last trip for him. Absolutely toasted that one bag. Anyway, I got the bladder sitting on my seat, so I'm just gonna have to stand the whole time until it's all used up. And I got my 2 litre water thing in my backpack, which fits. So that's a thumbs up to Krieger for the backpack, because the backpack's awesome. But thumbs down to the bags. Could be user error, but I doubt it, man. I'm not riding that hard, and they're not loaded like with that much gear either, you know, like they're not even full. That's the thing, like they're not even full. Let Donaldson go through, and fuck, now it's just sandy. I don't even think it's sand, dude. I think it's just dust. It's fucked.
We continue to push through the track. It gets super soft and tight, which can make it pretty hard to maintain momentum.
It's just, I don't know if it's sand or dust, it's soft, whatever it is. This could be a bit tiring, actually, after a while. happy just putting along in second, but I kind of want to go faster. But then these whoops get you, and your whole bags and stuff just fucking go whoosh. You bottom out your suspension, you know. But you can't actually go that fast, and it'd be easier to go like just a little bit quicker. This reminds me of coming into Goog's track, actually, like the into Goog's Lake. That's what it sort of reminds me of, except there's no sand dunes. It's just sandy. Yeah, avoid all the stumps. Oh shit. Pretty sweet little trail through here. Whoop. Just got to be careful you don't hit anything off the side. Oh yeah, I'm going. Comes Hicks. Mucking around. Oh, he stole it. Yeah, like that. Just pedal up it. Shit. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Woo! Fucking oath, the L's up. She was fucking heavy. Awesome, what a sick little fucking crossing. Where are we? We are here. So yeah, we come all the way, wow, Hitchcock River. We're going this way, I think, aren't we?
Yeah, just that was.
Oh yeah, that was the thing there. So you'll come up through here. Oh, Wakooka Creek. Doo, all the way down to there. I don't know what's down there. That looks like it's close to Cow Power.
Yeah.
Wakooka Road, definitely a bit tougher on a fully loaded bike. We're getting it done. It's just buddy, it's just so hot and dusty. It's just unreal. But keep pushing through, eh?
Well,
Cooked.
We're what, 20 k's from Wakooka Road turnoff on the Starke track, and we're fucked. It sucks.
Not only fuck, no, we're mute.
We're just lying down,
Absolutely.
trying to recover. The bikes are freaking that hot. Sun's still in the sky. Oh man, we're wrecked.
The sand is genuinely as hard as Goog's and some of the Simpson stuff we've done.
Yeah, it's like proper sand. Like they said, oh, it's a sandy track. It's like proper, like desert sand almost. It's worse than desert sand, and bull dust everywhere. But Pete's been at work, and yeah, dude, we're just shattered. Far out. Just gonna hang out here a little bit more, I think, and then keep going.
so we're only about, oh, what does it say, 18 k's from the track, from the turn off. It's gotten a lot better. It's a bit harder base, a bit easier going, and the airflow is just that good, man. But this has been a challenge, absolutely. Yeah, I don't think I really understood how hard it was going to be fully loaded with all the gear. Like, I can understand why people do it unloaded now. It'd be way easier. But some of the sand sections, dude, are just insane. Like, anyway, I'm going to be looking forward to food at camp. That is for sure. Fucking bit of a hill climb. This is a bit of Vic High Country shit, this is. Bit of Vic High Country in the Cape. So this is going to be interesting. I'm not sure what the best line is. Oh! Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm good, but I've got to pick up this cunt now. 1, 2, 3, up. Yeah, I'm not getting up that. Yeah, I'm digging a hole. Maybe. This is the line though, I think, if you want to be on. I'll try and give it a bump up anyway. There we go. Come on, brother. Come on. Come on. Fuck yeah. Get up it. Fucking earth. Love a good hill climb. Fuck yeah. That's the feeling of victory. Check out this view. Unbloody real. Up there. It looks incredible. We've just ridden through all of that. Righto, so that's Starke done. We're at Wakooka Road, it's down that way, and Starke Track, it's down that way. So we're at the intersection, just deciding whether or not we're going to punch through to Cow Power or we're going to camp here. It's pretty fucked camping here, so we might punch through. We're racing the sun to Cow Power, Wakooka Road. Anyway, we're going to try and get there before the sun goes down. 72 k's. Fucking get it done. It's unreal. Sunset looks unreal. It almost gives you goosebumps, just like how nice it is. But yeah, these turbine mounds are something else. I've never seen anything like it. Sunset is amazing. Fucking turning it on. I'll tell you what, man, these little steady lights that I've got, look, they bloody work unreal. So look, that's high beam, that's low beam, and high beam with them on, and then them off. Yeah, so they're bloody rip. Dude, where do you go? I'm guessing that's like the wall thing, but I'm actually not too sure where you actually go. Yeah, cool. Cow Power at night, brother. Awesome. Oh. That's fucking sick.
That's so much more hectic in the dark than it needs to be.
Dude, how sketchy is it in the dark? There's that big drop down. I'm like, whoa, shit.
So much more hectic than it needs to be.
Dude, doing it in the dark's fuck because you have no idea what it's like.
I know.
So, Cow Power crossing, and just come down here for a bit of a look. I just put the drone up, just have a bit of a look around. Anyway, that's the crossing down there. I was just talking to some people, and down behind me, there's apparently an 8-foot salty down there, so just try and stay away from the water a little bit. It's pretty sketchy coming through at night time. Everyone was kind of like, what are you doing, you're mad. But I didn't really have any other options. So anyway, today we're off to try and make it to, where are we going today? Go to Musgrave, fuel up, and final destination today will be Archer River, and yeah, we'll set up shop there, and yeah, just have a relaxing arvo hopefully. But yeah, pretty sweet campgrounds here. There's toilets and showers and stuff at Cow Power, so I'd stay here again, I think, but just bring some steel pegs because those little lightweight hiking ones just bend because the ground's really hard. Anyway, go pack up the bikes and we'll get going.
Cowpower Crossing rests in the Lakefield National Park and is the only crossing of the Normanby River to access Cape Melville National Park on the east coast. It's home to some pretty big crocs, so caution here is pretty well advised.
Oh, the river. Very good. Imagine all this being filled with water and just pumping through far out. Little sweet little area. Imagine a few big snapping handbags in there. Prime croc territory, isn't it? Bloody hell. Righto, so we just filled up at Musgrave Roadhouse and now we're going to head towards Port Stewart via Lilydale Road and then on to Cowan and then up the Archer River.
Lilyvale Road provides a perfect alternative to the PDR, meandering through Llama Llama country. Camping and access to land outside the road reserve is permission only, so keep that in mind if you head this way.
Bloody gates. Let that dust clear. River crossing. How's the terrain changed just from all that dusty stuff to like this? That's crazy, straight into like a rainforest. Oh, look at this. How good. Port Stewart Road. We turn left, but yeah, I know, I'm just going down here just to have a look at this fucking, I want to get a photo with this termite mound. Look at the size of it. Check out the size of it. It's massive. It's like fucking nearly 2 times the bike. It's huge, and this isn't even the biggest one. I bet you there's way bigger ones down there. Man, check that out. Quick photo with the boys. Here we go, the PDR, dude. Look at it. Fucking dust. Corrugations for days. What have we got? 50 Ks of this? Shit.
Archer River would have put the Yoda at 336 Ks for the day. More than enough, and time for a beer.
Archer River. The boys look just too relaxed. Showered up. Oh, sponsor us. Fucking no. Where'd you get that from over there?
Yep. Food inside, we got burgers.
Oh, just got to sit down.
Burger first, then.
Burger, then beer. Yep.